Our garden is located 40 minutes from the city. I'll show you what we grow. Of course, a lot of tasty berries. Strawberry, raspberry, cherry, red, white and black currant, and different sorts of gooseberry. Sweet fruits, apples and pears, also watermelons and melons, and different vegetables, tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, zucchinis, cucumbers, and a lot of others. Our garden is decorated with different beautiful and colorful flowers.